2017 Honda Accord V6, how to set the top dead center and the timing belt. So the new generation of the Honda doesn't have the power steering pump, so it's gonna make it easier, and you're gonna have the electronic rack and pinion. So basically it's gonna be easier. We already take everything off. This is the new one, it's gonna go up. The water pump has been replaced, and the belt was loose, and engine was kind of like making knocking sound. No check engine light on, but look what we found. There's a huge leak on the hydraulic tensioner. That was time to replace that. And whenever you see it, look at this kind of marks. So this not supposed to be like that. So when you see this kind of mark, it's time to replace the timing belt. And always the best idea is to replace the timing belt with the complete kit. So this is going to be the tensioner pulley, this is going to be the idler pulley, and in order to do the top dead center, as you see, there is a dot and there is an arrow here. They have to be lined up. And on the right side camshaft, there is a kind of like line, and on the back, on the cover, there is another arrow on that one. So the line is supposed to be on number 1, and the other side the same. So you're not gonna miss it. There is a like line on the gear, and the line is supposed to match and line up with the on the back with the cover. That's pretty easy. So it's nothing complicated. If you have done work on the vehicles, it should be easy for you to find out what's going on. So the point that I'm trying to tell you is, make sure again to get the complete assembly. I got it from the AutoZone, so it comes with the sticker. So we're gonna write down the sticker and the date and the mile, and all the pulleys, brand new pulleys, everything. This is the diagram for the belt, which is, I mean, it's kind of easy. So, and we go from there. So we're gonna replace the coolant. Since we took off the water pump, we're gonna flush and we move forward. Nothing complicated, nothing that kind of like skyrocket or anything like that. As you see, the area, so the new water pump is there. That's the gear that I was talking about. It has to be on cylinder number 1 and match with the back line on the cover, and the other side as well. Anyway, that was a quick guide for the timing belt top dead center setup on Honda Accord V6. That works on Pilot and Odyssey as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.